Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Vibe with KayMarie. Today we are going to be filming a 5-minute makeup challenge, and I have this lovely lady here with me today, my sister, and so we're gonna see basically who can do the most makeup and who can really do it the best within 5 minutes. We have all of our
stuff. I don't even know why this is a video because
she just interrupted my intro.
I got this in the bag.
We have all of our stuff laid out right here. Honestly, guys, I do my makeup like all the time in the morning, like to go. You know what I mean? Like when you're on the rush, you need a little. So I feel like I'm a pro at this. So I feel like I got this in the bag. But definitely, guys, comment down below who did it right. Team Kayla or Team Shereen. Put it down in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Timer is going. And once this goes off, we have to drop our brushes or you like automatically lose. Okay? Ready, set, go. Can't beat that, baby. La, 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 la. What's going on from over here? Not be such a hot mess. You dropping things everywhere. Oh, what am I trying to do? A concert or something like that? What is that? This is nuts. 5 minutes? That was way too quick. Honestly, I'm just gonna stop right here. Yeah, put that down, baby. Put that brush down. Put that brush down. Cut it out. You lost. Nah. Boom. Come on, let's get into the look. Let's get into the looks. Look at my hands look crazy right now. So basically, I didn't get to do my eyebrows. I kind of filled them in, but I didn't really get to like clean them up, which really would have just put the look to the top. But I did some eyeliner. I did a little wing. Come on, highlight popping, you dig, with my lip gloss. And because I had the foundation all over my lips, it gave it like a nice little brown cocoa tint, you dig. Come on. Oh, and shoot. Sis over here. And sis over here,
My
what
life
you
is
get done?
falling apart.
What'd you get done?
I just did
Eyelashes
some
dry.
I just did some eyebrows, glow, lip gloss, some concealer. And that's pretty much all I got done. I really didn't get a lot done.
So basically, honestly, you guys don't even have to comment down below because I won. But I guess you guys can still comment down below.
I don't like this. We're doing this over.
We're not doing this over. I told you, I'm
challenge.
pro. I'm pro.
Alright, well, anyway.
I did more makeup.
Let me finish.
I don't know if y'all feel like my makeup looks better, but I mean, I did more.
Nah, my makeup looks better. You know what?
Alright, guys. So I hope this video. Are you? It's over. It's done. It's finished. Alright, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, comment down below who did better, but we already know what's up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you know when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Boy, if you don't
I told you I was gonna beat you.